Hello and welcome to another Blooming Fire devlog. So in this devlog I will be talking about a few more systems that will need implementing and a few more other things. This will span over a few days when I create this, so it will be released in about a week from now and we will see how far we've come. I will be working for the rest of this week and also during the weekend, so I will not be able to create updates on those days, but the other days where I work shorter days or work either later or earlier, I will be having a few short updates. So the thing that I'm working on currently, or going to be working on right now, are a few more attack things. I'm going to be making items, and I will also be starting to making a sketch for the map. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so this is the next part of this devlog where I'm going to show you a few things like the points that I've been making. So currently these are the coins that are needed to be picked up. They're probably going to be refined later on, but these are the current state of them. They always look like this because I kind of wanted, like a little bit of a retro vibe on it. So that's why I made them sort of like these alien coins. Gave them a bit of 3D look to them when they rotate. It might still look a bit weird, but as I said, these are not the final project or the final version of them. So this is what they do. They move towards the player, and as you can see, the player is currently quicker than them. But as the further away that the character gets, the quicker they are gonna speed up, and then they're gonna get to the character. And if they haven't hit the character for a set amount of time, it will go basically super quickly towards the character. And it adds. So this is basically the only current inventory type of script that I have added. This is a points tracker. So this is basically what will keep score as you play the game. And currently how these are handled is that there is this point, which is called a coin spawner, that spawns the coins at the end of the level. And instantiates the coin just so I don't have to drag like coin prefabs all over the place and stuff. And also I can handle things like it spawning or if it's not spawning on this specific area. So that's something that I can handle as well. The other current thing that I have going on for me is that I've been on the fence of adding things like items, but currently the items script that I have with an item base and a few items like the healing potion and a few other stuff that currently are in the works are gonna be put on hold for now. That might be extras in the future if it feels like it's necessary. The other thing that I want to fix is something I'm not going to fix yet, but it's lighting. Since you see that the lighting looks really flat when it's in shadowy areas and the shadows are extremely harsh, I want them to be a bit more smooth and just a bit better in general. So that's basically how far I've come this day on the inventory and the point tracking scripts and items, and we'll see what we will be able to do with the next day.